everybody. Sorry it's been a while. I have been doing a lot of projects here around my house and got behind on the art lessons. I totally missed out on Halloween completely, but we do have a little bit of time where we can do at least one, maybe two art lessons for fall. And today we're going to do an art lesson that involves fall leaves. Okay, first it's a good idea to go outside and find some actual leaves. And one thing that you could do is you could let the kids actually trace the leaves onto the paper. Now we're just practicing right now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the veins of the leaf, and that's how I usually show kids how to draw the leaf. We draw the veins first, and then I kind of have them draw around the veins, kind of like as if they were drawing around their fingers, but you don't want to let them touch the veins. There should be some space between the veins and the edge of the leaf. Now that we've practiced the leaves, now we can draw them onto a piece of black paper. And this is where I've redrawn the leaves on black paper. And now I'm going to add some Elmer's glue. I'm just going to trace around all the lines that I made with the Elmer's glue. Now that the glue is dry, you can see that the glue is really raised up off the paper. I put it on nice and thick. Now we can add some color using chalk pastels. You can also use regular chalk. I prefer the chalk pastels because the colors are brighter. I'm going to be using the warm colors of fall leaves, reds, yellows, oranges, and browns. You can use this as an opportunity to introduce the kids to warm and cool colors. These are the warm colors, the colors that make you think of fire, the sun. That's the reason why we call them warm colors. And I'm just going to add these inside of the leaves only. And you can overlap the colors. They can examine those leaves again, get some ideas about how they want their leaves to look. Put the colors together, put them on top of each other. Just make sure that they stay inside the leaves, because we're going to put a different color on the outside. I'm putting some yellow on here, another different variation of yellow. And then I'm going to add some orange on the tips of the leaf. And I'm going to blend this all in with my fingers. And you can see it gives it a nice smooth, and you can still see the black lines underneath. Now I'm adding some blue pastel to the background. Why blue? Blue is a cool color. It's the color of water, the color that we think about when we think about cold things. So I'm using my fingernail to blend this in. And now we have a good contrast between the warm colors and the cool blue in the background. Makes you think of water or the sky behind the leaf. And that's it. I hope you'll try this one out and let me know how it goes if you do. See you next time.